Hello viewers, this is Azharul once again. Welcome to this new video where I'm going to talk about my YouTubing journey so far with exactly 5,000 subscribers. Just take a look here. I have got 5,000 subscribers when I am recording this video, and thank you very much to all of the people who have been supporting me, who have been encouraging me to upload videos, and for all of your support guys, I am here with this milestone of 5,000 subscribers. Alright, so here in this particular video I am going to answer few of the questions that I randomly received. So here are the questions: how do YouTube channels make money? And I'm going to answer the question, of course. And then how much I make as a small YouTuber. I'm going to show you all the stats from my dashboard. Okay, and then the third question: how many subscribers do you need to get paid, and is there any other requirement? Okay, and then here I have got few questions for you guys, so just take a look here. Do you want me to upload videos about demonstrating processes that you can make money on YouTube? And then what are the questions do you have regarding this topic? All right, so just let me know by commenting below. All right, so now let me dive into answering the questions. So the first question is, how do YouTube channels make money? Well, so there are several ways to make money on YouTube, but among them I know about 6 ways, and which are through AdSense ads, actually Google AdSense ads, and the second one is through affiliate product selling, and then the third option, you can make money on YouTube by selling your own product. It could be t-shirt, it could be any online product, or it could be any physical product. Okay, and then the fourth option is by doing sponsored videos, and then the fifth option is by selling online courses, and the sixth option is by Patreon membership feature. Okay, so let me give you a little brief about each of the options. So the first option, which is AdSense ads, or actually Google AdSense ads, so I usually use this way to generate my passive income. So let me talk about Google AdSense ads. So to be eligible for making money through Google AdSense ads, you will need to have, or you will need to actually fill up few requirements. Okay, first of all, and these are: your content should be very social friendly. Okay, and then there should not be anything bad, and then you will need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time into your videos. Actually not in every single video. So if you have 10 videos, and if you have got 2,500 hours of watch time in one video, and 1,500 watch time hours of another video, then it's all right. So you are just reached through the threshold. All right, so I hope you just got the point. So you'll need to have a combined 4,000 hours of watch time to be eligible for applying to get monetization to your YouTube channel. Okay, so after that YouTube will review your channel, and if they find everything is fine with your contents, your channel, then they will approve, and they will place advertisements into your videos. And then if your viewers clicks on these videos or watch video ads, which you may see on some of my videos, then you will get paid. Okay, so that's the process of Google AdSense. I hope I was able to make you clear, but if you are not clear, or if I have just missed something, or if you have got any question regarding this, please feel free to ask me by commenting below. I'd love to get back to you as soon as possible. All right, and then the second option is affiliate product. So there are many affiliate platforms that you can sell these products into your through your YouTube videos. So this could be any Amazon product, or a product from eBay, or maybe any other platform. Okay, so just advertise the product details and then include the affiliate link, and if sale generated through your link, then you are going to get the commission. Okay, that's the process of affiliate product. All right, and the third option is selling your own product. So there are thousands of, actually not thousands, maybe millions of people who are selling their own products through YouTube videos. So if you have got any online product, maybe it could be a software, it could be a course, which I have mentioned in fifth process or fifth method. but actually it could be placed in own product selling. Okay, so your product could be also maybe t-shirt, maybe shirts, maybe maybe a dress for women or girls, and then it could be any physical product, okay, and or online product. Okay, you can make money through YouTube videos by advertising on your YouTube videos. Okay, and then the fourth option, which is sponsorship. So basically if you have got a channel which has high value in market, or the topic you are making videos about, and if there are many products out there of this topic, and then if you just reach to a certain amount of subscribers, it could be 2,000, it could be 5,000, it could be 10,000 and more, so on. Okay, so if you have reached to any of the milestones or maybe any certain amount, and if a company manager or company business development person found your channel interested, or if they just believe that your channel, if you just upload a video into your channel, and their product will get a shout out, and they will generate some business, then they will reach out to you with some offers. They could offer you a product for free to you, and they also could offer you money for making the sponsorship content to your channel. Okay, so now let's come to the fifth point, which is course selling or online course selling. So if you're a tech savvy person, and if you have got very high extensive levels of experience, skills and knowledge to share with your students or maybe with your subscribers, then you could create a course, online paid course, and then you can ask them to try out, or you can sell the course to this person if it is really going to make their money worth and time worth it. Then you could make a course, and then you can sell it to your subscribers through your YouTube videos. So that's the process. And then the sixth option is Patreon. So basically on Patreon, there are many YouTube channels, you may have noticed, they has 50,000 subscribers, 100k subscribers, and they have a button on their about us page like Patreon, or maybe donate, or maybe to join our premium service. Okay, these types of buttons. So these are actually a Patreon membership based videos. So basically in Patreon based programs, the YouTubers provides high valued videos to their subscribers for a specific amount of money. They may going to pay you monthly, or maybe yearly as well. The amount could be $1, $2, $5, $10 for from each subscribers, and this is really great. Okay, so this was the options of making money through YouTube. Now let's move to the next question, which is how much I make as a small YouTuber. So that's really okay. So let me just share my screen with you, and I'm going to show you the exact amount. So I'm going to my YouTube channel, and just let me click on Creator Studio. Okay, so I've got 5,002 subscribers. That's great, thank you. And here are basic stats. As you can see, these analytics are showing for last 28 days, and I have got total 56,326 views in last 28 days, and my subscribers added to my list, 1,068 subscribers added to my total subscriber count by last 28 days. And here is the revenue, your estimated revenue $240 by last 28 days. So just let me get into this analytics page to give you a better overview here. Okay, it's showing me last 7 days, so let me just make a change or give a specific days, last 30 days. And here, so all of the informations, watch time in last 30 days I have got 3,761 watch hours from all of my videos, and you will need to have 4,000 watch hour by 365 days. So don't worry, this is very easy. Okay, and then here average view duration, most of the subscribers or the viewers are watching my videos for 3 minutes and 46 seconds on an average. And then here are the views. I have got total almost 60,000, and I have made $256. Actually it's almost $257, and my highest income was 20.92, so $21 almost in a day. And let me see how much I'm making on an average per day. So 256 point, let's see, 85 multiply sorry, not dividing with 30 days. So let's see. So I'm making average 8.5. So that's how much I'm making per day from YouTube, actually from this YouTube channel. Okay, so I've got few more. All right, so here are other stats. You may see many people are actually sharing my YouTube videos, and I'm really thankful to all of them, and I hope this video is going to get some shares as well, so I'd appreciate it. And here I've got 1372 likes. That's great to see, and I hope this video is going to get more. Okay, and then videos in playlist, subscriber counts that I have received. So these are the basic informations of the statistics. All right, and what else I can share? Let me know. Okay, so the question was how much I make as a small YouTuber. So I'm actually going, I don't mind if I just share how much I have made so far. So as I have shown here, this channel was created on September 21st 2017, but actually I am making money from December 12th December 2018. So it's almost 3 months, and let's see how much I have made. So I'm going to put the date to last 3 months or last 90 days, and let's see how much I have made. Okay, so here is the stats. $585 from last 3 months, and here as you can see it was just fluctuating. Actually it was increasing. Sometimes it's fluctuated, as you can see. It's went down, went up, then went down, went up, and this is how it is now sustaining into a level of $8.50 per day. All right, so if you're a small YouTuber, if you're just starting out, then just don't worry. So as you can see, let me just show you from lifetime to give you a better idea. If you could take your passions, and if you could be consistent with uploading videos, then someday you will get the success. So here once again, from September 21st 2017 to, let's see, what is the date here? Actually it's not showing me the date. Let's just click and see how long it takes to get the first income. So here 12/11/2018 was 0, but when I am going to 12/12/2018, I have made 52 cents. So almost after 1 year, and September, October, 1 year and 3 months almost, then I have just started making money through this channel. But I'm going to upload videos, I'm going to share the ways to all of you guys, the guidelines there, so that your process will be much faster than mine for sure. Okay, so if you just follow my guidelines. All right, so now my question is, would you love to learn the process how you can make money on YouTube, and what are the questions do you have that I can help you with by answering? Okay, just feel free to ask me by commenting below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible with a written comment, written answer, or with a video instruction. Okay, so I hope you have got some idea on this topic, that how much a small YouTuber can make, and I believe you have found this video helpful. And if you have found this video helpful, please like this video to encourage me, and please share this video to encourage others as well. So I believe you are already motivated, so just motivate others as well. And then just let me know your opinion by commenting below, and if you have got any question as well, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for being with me.